What's up, Aaron? I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, maybe you're checking out Whop clipping and maybe you're wondering, can you really make thousands and thousands of dollars from Whop clipping? Is this the real deal? Is this fake? Let's check it all out, all right? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out Whop clipping today to find out whether this is a good way to make money or maybe this is a massive waste of time. Let's check it all out, right? Now, Whop is basically a membership content creator education website, right? There's a few different things that you can do here. So as a creator, if you wanted to come here and create a course, any sort of digital course on trading, on affiliate marketing, on drop shipping, on meditation, on weight loss, you can come here and as a creator, you can create content and you can have, it's like a community. It's kind of like school mixed with, you know, Kartra, ClickFunnels kind of thing, right? And you can also get people to clip your stuff. So you know, I'm in here, I've logged into Whop right now, and if I just come down to the left where it says discover, just scroll down and they've got something called content rewards, okay? And you may have seen this go viral on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, and there are a lot of people saying that they're making a lot of money clipping. Okay, so let me just show you right here. Look, this guy says that he made $24,968 clipping. Another guy said that he made like $1,000 a day clipping. It's just crazy, right? So people saying some ridiculous numbers. Some people saying that they're making $50,000 a month clipping. All right, so let's see whether this is real and what this is all about, right? Now, if you come to the content rewards section of Whop, right, you're going to see that there are a lot of basically entrepreneurs and brands that have sort of these clipping jobs. So basically you can come here, like for example this guy Ambro Clips, okay, so basically he's paying $3 per 1,000 views. All right, most of the time it's less than that. He's paying quite a lot. He's one of the higher ones. Most people will pay between $1 and $2 for 1,000 views of their clips being clipped by you, right? So if you want to come here and you want to clip their long form videos into short little videos, upload it onto your platforms, okay? So your Instagram account, your TikTok account, your YouTube account, for every 1,000 views, they will pay you a certain amount of money. Okay, they'll pay you $1, $2, $3, for example. Okay, so you can come here and you can have a look at all the different campaigns, and there's quite a lot here, right? And you can see, so for example, like Cluely, for example, they've paid $1,000 out of a $10,000 campaign, right? So you could come here and you could click on this and you could find out exactly what it is. So let me go into one that I already went into just now. I went into this one, right? Kalshi, okay? So Kalshi, when I click into Kalshi, I just want to show you right here, on the right hand side, there's basically the rules on how this actually works. Okay, so they've paid out $81 out of a, you know, just under $15,000 campaign. Now, every single one of these clipping jobs, okay, because that's what it is, basically a clipping job, right? There are rules, okay? So in order for you to make the money, so for this one, they pay $2.05 for every 1,000 views that you generate on your channels, right? You need to clip their long form content. I'll show you in a second how this works, right? But there are rules. So for example, minimum payout for you to be paid is $10. Maximum payout you can make is just over $1,000. Okay, so after you make $1,000, you can't work on this campaign anymore. Your clip videos must be at least 10 seconds long. You must post a screenshot of their slips overlaid on the relevant videos that they give you. Okay, you can use slips provided or your own slips. Comments must be turned on. You must keep these on your site for at least a month after you will be banned from this Whop. Okay, so there's certain rules and regulations. Some of them say that they'll only pay for, you know, English speaking countries, right? So the US, the UK, Australia, New Zealand, stuff like that. Some it's not required, so it just depends. And then what happens is when you do this, you can submit your videos to Whop and then they will have a look at it, they'll verify it, make sure it's okay, and then if it's okay, then they'll pay you this amount of money. Okay, so that's kind of how it works. Now to get the assets, they're down here. So you just click on the assets, it'll lead you to Dropbox or you know, Google Drive or whatever it is. And basically what you would do is as a clipper, you would take these long form videos and you would clip them into short little videos, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and you would upload them to your own accounts, your own TikTok, your own YouTube, your own Instagram, right? And if they go viral, 1,000 views, 5,000 views, 10,000 views, that kind of thing, then you will get paid for the views that you created. That's essentially it, okay? So the whole idea here is you're using other people's content that's already supposed to be pretty good, then you're going to clip them using an editor. You can use CapCut, you can use, software like Opus Clips, for example, which is an AI clipper, right? There are many, many different ways to do it, okay? So you can save time, you could do it yourself, you could do it on, iMovie or whatever editing software that you have on your computer, and you upload it onto your own social medias. And if they go viral, then you prove it with Whop and then you get paid, okay? So it's as simple as that. It's nothing too crazy, right? But it's a really interesting side hustle. Because essentially all you're doing is you're becoming like a video editor for short form content for these brands and these entrepreneurs and these companies that are looking for an army of clippers to or army of editors, I should say, right? Clippers, editors, to edit their stuff, and then if you get them views, they will pay you according to those views, right? But here's the thing. Some people are giving like some ridiculous numbers, okay? They're saying they're making like $30,000 a month. Some people are saying that they're making like $20,000, $25,000 a month clipping, okay? So I want to do the math and I want to show you the numbers to see whether this is really a realistic side hustle, right? Can you really make $25,000 by clipping other people's content? I mean, we know how much you get paid for the views. So it's like, well, how many views do you need to get in order to make this kind of money? Let's do the math on this and let's see whether this is actually realistic or not, okay? So for this particular job right here, okay, and this is an average one, all right? So $1 to $2, okay? Okay, so for this guy, so let's just say you wanted to clip, you get paid $2 for every 1,000 views, okay? If you wanted to make $20,000 a month clipping for this particular job, you would need 10 million views on your clips, and you must upload them onto your channel, not their channel, your own channel, okay? So it really depends. Sometimes, is your channel big? Do you have followers? Are you starting from scratch? There are a lot of question marks here, right? But let's just say you were to get, if you want to make, $20,000 a month, I mean, you would need to generate 10 million views. That's pretty tough to get 10 million views. Right? Now, it doesn't mean that it's impossible. It just means that it's going to take a lot of time. Now, some of these jobs only pay $1 for 1,000 clips. So in that scenario, if you wanted to generate $20,000 a month, you would need to get 20 million views, and they have to be verified views based on this particular thing. They must be 10 seconds long. Everything, you have to leave it on your account for at least a month before you can do anything else, before you can actually earn that money, right? So is it realistic to get 20 million views as an individual? That's pretty damn hard, honestly. Even if you had like crazy work ethic, it's not that it's impossible, but it's pretty hard. So some of these people, right, what I've realized with some of these guys that, claim that they've made that much money and things like that, a lot of them have teams of people working under them. So, they hire someone for super duper, like ridiculously dirt cheap, and then they pay them money to kind of build, just edit these clips really, really quick, and then upload them, and then it would be possible to generate this kind of stuff. But as a single person, one man show, one woman show, it's going to be really, really difficult, okay? So let's talk about some real numbers, okay? So let's just say that you were to edit 10 videos a day. That means you came to Kalshi, right? You looked at their Dropbox, and then you were able to edit 10 videos, and that's going to take you a little bit of time, right? 10 videos, right? And let's just say every single one of your videos does about 3,000 views. We're not saying like, it's going to go viral, because we don't know, right? Sometimes if you get lucky, one of the videos might go viral, but for the most part, maybe it's not going to go viral. Even on TikTok, it might only do like, let's just say, 1, 2, 3,000 views per video, right? So let's just say you're doing 10 videos a day. You're uploading for 30 days, and every single video gets 3,000 views. You're looking at about $900 a month. Okay, so again, so it's not that easy. Let's do the math. I mean, this is realistic numbers. We know how much you're getting paid, right? So let's just say $1 $1 for 1,000 views, 10 videos a day, 3,000 views on average, you're going to make about $900. If you're being paid $2 and you're uploading 10 videos a day, you're clipping 10 videos every single day, right? So what, 10 times 30, that's 300 videos a month. You're going to make double that. You're going to make $1,800, okay? But that is a far cry from $1,800 is a far cry from $25,000. Okay, now I'm not saying that you can't get this kind of income, but let's just be realistic. Not every single video that you upload is going to go viral. Some might do better than others. I mean, you might make a little bit more. Let's just say you do a little bit more than that. Let's say you make $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. I mean, you're still going to have to do a lot of work, okay? Maybe 15 videos a day. Maybe you have to clip 20 videos a day, every single day for 30 days, right? So it is possible. You can do that. I mean, if you work like, 5 hours a day, 8 hours a day, I mean, is it possible? Sure, it's possible, but you have to hustle, right? You have to put in the legwork, right? And you have to make sure that these guys actually pay you, because there have been complaints with some of the Whops. No, I'm not saying all, where people have complained that they've done the work, they did the thing, but they weren't actually paid for the results that they got. Okay, so just take that with a pinch of salt, right? And just understand that some of them may be better than others, but that's kind of the realistic numbers. Okay, I would say that I'm not saying that these guys here didn't make 25,000, and this guy right here, I'm not saying that they didn't do $30,000 a month, but to be a bit more realistic, I mean, if you were to work hard on this, you're looking more at maybe $1,000 to $3,000, maybe even $5,000 if you super duper hustle, if you're a one-person show. Okay, to expect to make like $20,000, $30,000, $50,000 a month clipping, that's quite hard. You're gonna have to hire teams, either that or you're gonna have to work like 24 hours a day, which is it's not really possible. But I think that this is a cool little side hustle. Whop is gaining so much popularity right now. They're going viral, and I think that this this little content reward section where you can clip videos is giving people an additional income stream. So if you want to check it out, create a Whop, and then you can come down to discover right here, and then you can check out their content reward section, and you can start clipping if you want. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review. Okay, and if you're here right now and this is the first time that you're on my channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different side hustles, all sorts of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Okay, all sorts of websites, apps, business models, stuff like that. Most of them not so great, some of them okay, some of them really good, just a small handful. Now, out of all the really good ones, there's one strategy that I use online to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars, even millions of dollars. Okay, it allowed me to quit my full-time job. I retired my mom because of it. I work 100% from home because of it, and this is great, I think, for beginners living anywhere in the world. And if you would like to see the step-by-step on how to do that, I've got a free masterclass that you can check out if you want. Just click the link right below this video in order to access that for free. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review of clipping with Whop clipping. All right, I wish you all the best. See you on another video review. Take care.